Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this luxurious property for sale in Forte Dei Marmi. Check it out. Today we are in Forte Dei Marmi, one of the most exclusive beach locations on the Tuscany Riviera. Even though today isn't the best day, it is actually the perfect weather for surfers. To my right is Il Pontile, which is one of the oldest landmarks of the city, which is held between two beaches. In this moment, we are in La Piazzetta, in the central piazzetta of the Forte. In fact, right behind me is the actual Forte, which was built at the end of the 1700s. This is where life begins and is the focus point of the town. It caters to all ages. There's still so much more to see, but first, un caffè. Much better. Let's go. Today's property is in the heart of Roma Imperiale, the most elite residential area in Forte Dei Marmi. The nature surrounding it is rich and varied, which gives it maximum privacy, and the well-kept garden frames the villa perfectly, giving it elegance. I'm so excited to show you this property today. Venite con me. But before I forget, let me tell you a little bit about the property. It is 473 square meters, has 10 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, and is surrounded by 3,200 square meters of garden, which has a swimming pool with changing area, an external dining area with barbecue, and a parking area for 4 cars. Before we go inside, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications to see more videos like this one. Andiamo! The living room is the heart of the home. The light colors chosen highlight the green of the garden and the artwork in the room, while the columns separate the space into 2 distinct sitting areas. For example, on this side you can enjoy a movie with your friends and family, or on the opposite sitting area, you can enjoy some quality time with them. The lodge is accessible by 2 sides of the living area, and I love how the columns are covered by plants, giving the space elegance. We have a diversity of sitting areas which are perfect to hide from the sun during the warmer hours, or simply just recharge your batteries after a long day spent at the beach. This area of the house takes me back to a lot of happy childhood memories of summers spent in Forte Dei Marmi. What nostalgia! Being an open space, the room hosts not only the sitting areas, but also the dining area, which stands out for its colorful chairs. The French window leads to the external dining area, giving a nice flow. Speaking of which, it is also well connected to the kitchen. The kitchen is well equipped. It has Carrara marble countertops and an island in the middle of the room, which is great for a quick bite to eat or a more casual dinner. If that's not the case, that's okay, because counter space is always useful, especially if you're hosting large parties of people. The room has a direct access to the outside. The kitchen is well connected with the external dining area, which is covered by this lovely gazebo shaped like a shell. The granite table sits 6 to 8 people comfortably and is great for family gatherings or having a nice barbecue with friends, which you can do thanks to the adjacent external kitchen with a barbecue and a marble sink. This is the ideal place to watch your kids when they're playing because you have a view on every angle. Let's go and see the swimming pool now. I love the intermittence of materials between the white marble from Carrara and the cotto tiles. They work perfectly together. As you will see, this is the swimming pool area and the true gem of the property. It has its own built-in jacuzzi, and boy, more I look at this water, the more I want to just jump in. We also have a sunbathing area and a romantic gazebo that adds that extra touch of luxury. Beneath the swimming pool is a fitness area and the changing rooms that we will not be able to see today because they're under renovation. Behind me are the laundry room and a parking area that can fit 4 cars. But now, let's go and see the rest of the house. Opposite to the kitchen is the first bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom and access to the patio outside. The villa is developed on 2 floors above ground and has a basement floor, which has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, of which 4 are en suite. Now, let's go upstairs. This beautiful white marble staircase brings us up to the first floor and is illuminated by this large window that looks right onto the swimming pool. Look at the metal banister, how it just wraps around this marble pool. It's magnificent. On this floor, we have 4 bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom, customized closets, and wooden floors, which is different from the rest of the house because it gives more warmth and coziness to the rooms. 3 of the bedrooms have a communicating terrace, which has been segregated into sections using plants to give further privacy to each room. The 4th room is a kid's room that has a customized closet that follows the beach theme, and it's the only room that has its own private balcony. But this room has the most spectacular view from the terrace. From here you have a beautiful view over the swimming pool and of the Apuane Mountains. Today is a little bit cloudy, but when it's clear, you have a beautiful view of them. That's one thing that I love of Forte Dei Marmi, is that you have on one side the Apuane Mountains and on the other side the sea. It's the perfect contrast, you have everything. From this floor, we can access the tower which hosts the last bedroom. Let's go check it out. This is the last bedroom and is the only one to have a 35 square meter terrace, as well as exposed beam ceilings. It has its own ensuite bathroom and wooden floors, which give warmth to the space. Isn't it charming? That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our channel for more videos like this one. I will definitely be back to Forte Dei Marmi this summer. And who knows, I might see you there. Ciao!